Hi, welcome to my PHP channel. Today I'll show you how to use the keyword searching program. So what is the YouTube's video keyword? YouTube video keyword is a word or a short term that describes the main idea of the video on YouTube. It's very important to put the keywords on the video you upload on YouTube because it will help the people who are interested in your content finding your video from that keyword. For example, I made a video about how to take care of a dog. Then I upload that video with keywords like dogs or taking care of dogs or pets. Therefore, when the people who search for dog-related content, they will find my video because my keywords matched the words that they search on the search bar. Now, let's take a look at the program. As you can see here, there are two information boxes for you to fill in. First is your usernames, and then here is the URL of the video on YouTube. You want to find the keywords. Okay, so let's fill in the username, and then we copy the link and paste it here. Then you verify that you are not a robot. All right. Okay, then now click search. When the program found the keywords, it will look like this. So this is the video URL that you put in earlier, and this is the keywords that you're searching for. As you can see, this video is the music video, so the keywords are about the song, which is the song title, the genre, and the artist name. Okay. You can also see the thumbnail of the video here. Okay. And if you put the URL or put something that is not linked to YouTube, let's say this, like this, it will notify you that this is not a URL and it will not find the keywords for you. Also, in case if that video doesn't have any keywords, like this, it will show you, it will notify you that this video has no keywords. All right. And if you scroll down, you will see search history of the other users who have used this program before us. Okay. And if you are interested, you can see what they search for over here. Like this. And if you want to find your search history, you can put your username in the search bar. Here, this, and you will see what this username have searched. All right. And you will see this information. So that's it with the video keywords searching tool. Thank you for watching. See you again.